Yo, what's going on everyone? Back with another unboxing video. This time we have the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra 5G. Just got it today. Got this from O2 and it does not come with a cover or a charger or anything like that from O2, so you have to buy all that separately. Feels good. Looks good. Not too fond of a very square or rectangle design at the edges, but definitely feels high quality. See what else we get in the box. The lead, and that's about it. The instructions and the lead. No headphones or anything. What? And the wee SIM card unlocker thing, or opener. That's about it. This is 12GB, 512GB model, so it's one of the higher models. Those come with a stylus, I think, doesn't it? Where's the stylus? There it is there. Let's see if there's any charge on it. Must be completely. Oh, hold on. It beeped. Yeah, I think it's completely dead. Unless this thing covers the screen, does it? Yeah. So that's a protective thing that blacks out the screen.